Currently on the way to go get my truck shell. They're gonna install it and everything, and I'm super excited. Here we go.
I got all of the wood from friends and my neighbors, just telling them a rough estimate of what I needed. Today I worked on measuring out the wood so I can cut it. It started snowing pretty hard, so I stopped working. I did a good amount of work today. I got a really good idea of what it's actually going to look like. I had an idea in my mind already, and as you've seen from the drawings, but it looks nice to see it in real life and get a good idea that it's actually going to turn out into something efficient, usable, functional, and homey and cute. So I'm excited about that. This is day 1 of the journey. Dog hairs. And I don't know how many days this is going to take me. I should probably log my hours. So I worked about 2 hours today on it. So 2 hours down. All right. Stay tuned for the next steps.
Screws and drills and batteries and all that ready. So we've got all my cut pieces of wood there. These are, I think, already. Got some littler pieces right there. Got my cool shelves, little pieces, and then I've got my truck backed in, and I have 2 pieces of wood that are going across my bed, and then 1 long piece going in the groove. And I haven't decided if I'm going to screw these in yet or not. I don't think I need to. This is what under the bed area looks like. I've got this long board going across like you've seen, and then I have this smaller board going across only halfway. Hi. Got it. This is a grabber screw. So this is the progress so far. So I've got shelves. I bolted that little black box into the shelves, and I put a rug in, and then I also upholstered these edges so it looks a little nice and it doesn't hurt as much if I ever hit it. And then I've got my plywood, and then I've got drawer space down here for when I make a drawer. And then this piece of wood is gonna go in the middle of those two up there whenever I put the extra or the elongated bed in there. So I'm about to go get that. This is what it looks like when I don't have the extra bedding area in, and I will put this rug underneath it on top of it so that I don't get the fabric dirty. Easy entrance since I cut off this piece right here, so it's easy entrance with my feet. And then once I put the rug down on top of this, I won't have to worry about getting it dirty. And then if I want to cook or do crafts or whatever I want to do up here, then I can do something. I'm also going to make these shelves a little bigger. I don't know if I'm going to do that today or not. And then I have my basket. Maybe I'll put like spices in here or something. And then this is the bed. Extra bed area up. I had to double the length of this board because this was not leveling out. It wasn't supporting it at all with just the length of it, or width previously. So let's see if this works. All right, excellent. That's progress. This side is a little weird. See how this goes. That's better. Oh yeah, much better. A little rocky, but you know.